If you are driving a modern diesel truck, especially one that does heavy towing, you know how important back pressure is for things like engine braking and warming up that massive block. When code P04A2 triggers, it is telling us there is a problem with the exhaust pressure control valve B, specifically that the signal is high. This system uses a valve in your exhaust stream to create resistance. This helps warm up the engine on cold starts and provides that crucial braking power when you're hauling a heavy load down a hill. The computer monitors this pressure through a sensor, and this code means the signal coming from that sensor is way higher than it should be, usually not matching up with the intake manifold pressure or the ambient air pressure when you're just cruising. The symptoms can be annoying. You might feel a total lack of power, your engine braking might disappear right when you need it, or your warm-up times on cold mornings might stretch out forever. So where do we start? First, do not just rip the sensor out yet. Check for technical service bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific truck. Sometimes this is just a software glitch that the dealer can fix with a quick update. If that is clear, you need to physically locate the B sensor. Check the wiring carefully. Diesel engines vibrate a lot and create a lot of heat, which can melt wire insulation or cause chafing. Pull the connector and look at the pins. Are they green and corroded? If so, clean them with some electrical contact cleaner or 91% rubbing alcohol. Another huge culprit in these systems is the sensing tube. There is often a small metal tube connecting the exhaust manifold to the pressure sensor. This tube loves to get clogged with diesel soot. If you can, take it off and try to blow through it. If it is blocked, the sensor can't read the real pressure and you will get this code. If you're handy with a multimeter, you can check the 3 wires going to the sensor. You should typically see a 5-volt reference signal, a good ground, and a signal return wire. If you are seeing 12 volts where there should be 5, you might have a short to power in the harness. However, if the tube is clear, the wiring is perfect, and you have good 5-volt power and ground, then and only then should you look at replacing that exhaust pressure sensor. It's all about eliminating the cheap and easy fixes before buying the expensive electronic parts.